Oh, what's up, everybody? Oh man, I'm at the building and whoo, it's cold. Look at the pond out front. We can go ice skating, baby. Ice skating in Texas. But I figured I'd just show you. I just wanted to show you the pond. Like, look at that. Nice, nice. It is probably like 7 degrees, something like that right now. By the weekend, it's gonna be going back up, but it's all good. This is manufacturing, this is life. Yesterday, we dropped a face mill video. We got 5-axis tutorials being edited right now, Mastercam tutorials being edited, and many other things. You know, I just wanna give you guys a word. You know, in life, whether it's politics, whether it's like the weather, whether it's your building, your customers, your family, your kids, no matter what it is, you're gonna have things that come against you. You're gonna have highs, you're gonna have lows, but at the end of the day, all that worry ain't gonna matter. All of the, you know, breaking down, whatever, the depression, all of that stuff doesn't matter. So be cool under pressure, solve those problems. You're gonna make it through, you know what I mean? And just go after greatness in all things. Because the more that you solve the problems, the more you go through the valleys. When the valleys come later, you're like, I've been through this. I'm just gonna coast right through while other people go through the valleys, and that's when you're gonna hit success, right? Because we have to go through the valleys to learn what we need to be successful in life. We need to have things break down. We need to fix them so we have that experience. We need to deal with customers and go through certain things with customers and realize, you know, like here's a story for you guys. Some of my greatest customers, like looking at like SpaceX and different places, it's when we had problems with parts that I ended up being connected with top level people, and they saw my attitude that I would actually wake up at 2 in the morning, go into the shop and make those parts and drive them down to Hawthorne, right? I go drive them down and make it happen because I understood they had a lying down situation and they needed something. And even though we were in the doghouse a little bit, we ended up becoming great for them because they understood they could count on us. And that is why we made parts with them for over a decade, right? And that's why I always could talk to the top level guys, because they understood, hey, you can actually depend on these guys, right? They might make mistakes once in a while, but at the same time, they've grown as a company, and now like they'll go in on the weekend, they'll make things happen, right? It's through the adversity that you actually understand who you're dealing with. You know, when you deal with friends, the people that are there on the weekend, the people that are there to come in and help you any time of day or night to help you out, that's when you know that that's a true friend, right? So be that person, be that friend, be that vendor, be that person that goes through adversity and that you just make it through, and no, nothing's gonna stop you. And you're gonna be there for other people. You're gonna serve other people. You're gonna look for every single opportunity to actually serve and lift up your brother and sisters, because we are all family. This is manufacturing, and that's just a word, all right? Look at that, snow, baby. Snow and ice right here in Flower Mound, Texas, but we are all safe. Some of my guys still don't have power and stuff, but we're taking care of business, making sure that everybody's safe and everything's good, all right? I love you guys. Take care. Boom. I'm out. Titans of CNC. Texas, baby. I still love it. I still love it, though. I still love it.